Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. This is a new unboxing video. I am now unboxing the Seagate Portable Drive. This is the 5 terabytes version. And so yeah, let's get started. This is the box of it. And now open it here. Okay. And it's like a pretty small box, as you can see, pretty slim, because actually this is one of the the portable version of the Seagate external drives, as you can see. So this is the packaging here. This is the drive. And as you can see here, it's written 5 terabytes. And so as we saw here, this comes with this cable, this USB cable. It's USB A port type. Okay. And so basically I think just, super easy to use. Just have to plug this one into the drive like this. That's it. And then you plug this one into the PC or laptop. Now I'm going to actually bring my laptop and let's actually try this one. And also this comes as well with it. So this is an external, so the quick start guide about the drive. But it's better just to have a quick read about it before using it. So the most important thing about it, how to connect it with USB 3.0. And this is a rescue data recovery services. If you ever need this, hopefully that no one would ever need this, but if you do, then you can actually refer to this small document as well. Let's check out the drive's weight. So if I turn this on, so this is now at 0 grams, and if I put the drive alone without the cable, it's 228 grams, which means in ounces 8.03 ounces, or pounds 0.502 pounds. Alright, go back to grams. And as well, now if I actually measure the weight of it, but with the cable, it's 250 grams, or 8.82 ounces, or 0.551 pounds. Alright, so this is my laptop. It's the Dell XPS 17. And as you know already, that this laptop doesn't have normal USB A type ports or USB 3 ports for these ones, and that's why it only has USB C type, so the small one, and that's why I had to actually use this adapter in order to connect the portable drive to the laptop. So if you want to know more about this adapter, you can check out this video here if you want to get this adapter. Alright, now let's connect this Seagate Portable 5 terabytes portable drive to the laptop. I'm here connecting this adapter. Alright, and I'm connecting now the cable to the laptop. And I don't want to actually move the drive while it's running, but you can see here this flashing light, white light, and now we can see now it appeared here, the drive. And so as you can see, the drive, although it's actually it says that it's 5 terabytes of capacity, but actually in real life it's 4.54 terabytes. So we lost almost 460 gigabytes of storage space. That's normal for with with hard drives, that you still have this kind of gap, or this buffer uh, capacity that is lost, and not giving us the full stated capacity. If I double click on it and enter it, then we have these files. And now, yeah, I mean, these are the warranty, start here, when exe. So like these files come by default with the drive. Now let's run a speed test of the drive. All right, now let's try to make a copy test of the hard drive, and check out the speed, the writing speed. I already prepared this file as a test file, 5 gigabytes test file. And so now let's Control C to copy it, and then click on the drive, and then Control V. And now it starts to say it's going to take around 45 seconds. Started at around 30 megabytes per second, then going up 90, 120, 130, 27, 100, and yeah, around 120 and 30 megabytes per second. Okay, hit the 145 megabytes per second as a top writing speed so far. Still 5 seconds to go. And done. So as you have seen, that it started slow, but then quickly took momentum, and then the speed became, reached 145 megabytes per second, but that was not the average speed, but the top speed. And so far this looks good. I know that with time, when the hard drive is going to be more than 50% full, that the speed will actually get slower, which is something normal with hard drives. But so far I'm pretty happy with it. And now let's actually run another test with the CrystalDiskMark version 8.0.4. So first, make sure to select the drive, this external portable drive. Actually, here it says 4 terabytes and 657 gigabytes, which I've already talked before, that it's not actually totally 5 terabytes. And let's click on all. And now let's wait for the results. And so as you can see, the overall, or the average read speed, is around 144 megabytes per second, and the writing speed is around 136, 37 megabytes per second. And so, yeah, these are the results of the hard drive. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think, if you would actually think of buying this portable 5 terabytes Seagate hard drive or not, if 5 terabytes are actually good for you or not. Are they too little? You would need maybe more, or there are actually more than enough that you want, and actually maybe you need, let's say, I don't know, 4 terabytes or 3 terabytes of external hard drive or hard drive storage. Let me know in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to watch more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next videos.